Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to know who shared your Instagram post, or we can say who used your Instagram post. So to check this, you can open any Instagram post. You can go with a recent one. So after opening your Instagram post, click on this three icon you can see on the top right of this post, and you will see the fourth option as view story reshares. So once you will click on this one, you will see a list of account who have used your post or who have shared your post as their Instagram stories. So for example, I will click any one of them. So here you can see, so this person have shared this post 2 hours ago in their Instagram story. So if I will go to another one, here you can see you have also shared my post to their Instagram stories. So this is how you can check who shared your Instagram post to their Instagram stories. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching.